새벽에 일어나면 성경의 시편 23편을 읽는데 한번 읽어드리겠습니다. Psalm chapter 23, a psalm of David. The Lord is my shepherd. He gives me everything I need. He lets me lie down in field of green grass. He leads me beside quiet waters. He gives me new strength. He guides me in the right path for the honor of His name. Even though I walk through the darkest valley, I will not be afraid. You are with me. Your shepherd's rod and staff comfort me. You prepare a feast for me right in front of my enemies. You pour oil on my head, my cup runs over. I'm sure that your goodness and love will follow me all the days of my life, and I will live in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. 성경 전체를 읽는다고 자랑하는 사람도 많은데 우선은 이렇게 자기한테 절절히 다가오는 부분을 찾아서 읽으면서 조금씩 영역을 확대해 가는 게 좋습니다. 스텝 바이 스텝, 조금씩.